Okay, so today we're going to make cauliflower cheesy tots. It's a lot better than tater tots because it's going to keep you nice and slim like myself. You like that?
Oh,
yeah, we're going to do a little bit of motion. Okay, so today since we're using cauliflower, you can get a big head of cauliflower, grate it up, rice it. We're not going to do that because we're tired and we need to do some stuff that's a little bit easy. So we went to the grocery store. We're not promoting chains. We're not promoting brands. Get yourself a bag of riced cauliflower, 10 to 12 ounces. You know how you cook this? You put it in the microwave. How about that? In the microwave. So we're going to put that in the microwave.
Good old microwave.
Good old Mike. They call him Mike.
How many minutes?
Okay, we're going to do that about 5 minutes.
Okay.
So we just put Mike in there. We put the rice cauliflower. We're going to come back a couple minutes, but guess what we're going to use? We're going to use 3 types of cheeses. I got cheddar cheese. I got an egg. And we got a Parmesan mozzarella mix. And then we got cream cheese. We got powdered Parmesan cheese. It's going to taste so good and yummy. Listen to that. That's Chef Mike in the background. He's going around in circles. He's going to make the rice cauliflower. So, guess what? I got to go use the bathroom and wash my hands.
So what happened to your burgers?
Hey, you don't tell me what to do. You don't tell me what to do. You don't tell me what to do. Okay, we'll be right back. Hey, it looks like it's done. Cauliflower. Okay, so we took the cauliflower out of the microwave. Let it sit a minute or two because it's going to be very hot. Now we're going to cut this out. Oh, it's burning my hand. Oh, it's burning.
What are you doing, a surgery or something?
So what we're going to do is, we want to put this in a strainer. But I'm going to put a paper towel because I don't have a cheesecloth. And we're going to drain any type of water that's in there. It's not too watery, but just in case. So we're going to do a little bit of that. We're going to put it in there. It's nice and hot. We take this bag. We're going to throw it over there. So, okay. Now look. You got the cauliflower in here. Paper towel. And put another paper towel on it.
Beautiful.
Let it drain. There's no rush. No rush.
Nice and easy.
When you just try to get any type of moisture out of there, it's going to be a little bit moist, but it's okay. It's okay to be a little moist sometimes, isn't it?
Don't get wood there now.
Okay, so it's a little bit of that. We're not going to spend too much time on that. Now let's throw it all into a big bowl. Okay? Got a big bowl. I love big bowls.
All right, Sal.
I love big bowls. Okay, look at that.
All right.
Cauliflower. Now, this is the best time. This is a mixing time. I'm going to take the egg.
Aren't you going to whisk?
No, I'm not. I'm going to mix everything up with my hands because that's why I got hands, guys, so I can mix. Okay. And usually I use without gloves, but today, since some people are watching, we're going to use gloves.
All right.
Okay? We got the pepper, a little teaspoon of pepper, a little teaspoon of salt. Oh, I got to do the Salt Bay, right? We did over here Salt Bay. Boom, boom. I'm better than Salt Bay.
Nice.
That son of a bitch. Okay, so we got that. Now look what we're going to do. So we got that in there. Now, you can use different type of cheeses. I got some, some sharp white cheddar. And then I got some Parmesan.
No mozzarella?
With a little bit of mozzarella in there.
Okay.
So altogether, this is 1.5 cups. Okay? So I just mixed a little bit of 1/2 cup of each. Mixed it together. But if you want more Parmesan, you put more Parmesan. You want more of this one, that one. But about 1.5 cups of cheese altogether. So we're going to mix that cheese. We got the cheese. Yeah, but then you said, that's not enough cheese, Mr. Sal. Hey, let's put some powdered Parmesan cheese on it. Why? Let's powder that baby up. Let's put that up. It helps it bind, and it tastes so good.
Don't you need any cream cheese?
Then I like cream cheese. So what we're going to do is, we're going to take about 2 dabs of cream cheese in there. I like to put about like 2 tablespoons in there. You can put a little bit more, a little less. That's a little bit more. I put 2 of them in there. Boom, boom. Oh, it said cheese overload. But I'm doing keto and low carb, and guess what? I like to eat cheese. How about that one? So, now what we're going to do, then I'm going to put this on one of these type of sheets. You can use a baking sheet. I use a parchment paper.
What's the holes for?
Whatever. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna spray it a little bit, okay?
Okay, don't spray me.
So we're not gonna spray too much. You
Avocado.
can use whatever type. This is an avocado. You can use whatever type that you have. You can use Pam, but we're not going with brands because Pam ain't paying me to say so. So now we're gonna mix this up. Look at that. Oh yeah, get it good. Get it good.
Are you gonna put any oregano?
Oh, you know what? This is not a pizza crust, but if you want to do a pizza crust, it's kind of the same way.
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna mix that up. We're gonna mix it up.
That's good.
We're gonna mix it so it's really
It
nice.
looks so good.
Then I'm gonna, after it's all mixed up, I'm gonna make little tot type balls.
Okay.
Or little nugget shapes, and I'm gonna put it on here. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven. You know, they don't come out the best shape. They're gonna be exactly like tots, but you make like a little ball.
But taste gonna be tot, right?
Taste is gonna taste good. Then you put whatever, and then I might put a sugar-free ketchup or a sugar-free barbecue sauce with no carbs on it.
Oh, that's yummy.
So this is what you do. Look at my sloppy hands. Here, we're gonna make little nuggets. Make little balls. Look at that. And then I put it on there.
Pick up those crumbs.
Just a little crumb. Don't worry. We'll clean them up later. But you
Clean
make
it
like
up, make it a little bit rounder.
no. I like to give all my nuggets or tots. We call them tots. I like them all to have their own personality. So we're gonna have a fat one. We're gonna have a skinny one. We're gonna have one of each. So I'll keep doing this until it's done. Okay, so we made these tots. Look how they look. They look yummy. I know they look kind of weird. They're a little bit bigger, some smaller. Guess what? It all goes down the same way, and I like it big. So I'm gonna put these in the oven. I already had it preheated. I think I preheated about 450. I like it real crunchy. You can do 425. Preheat it. I'm gonna pop this in for 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna take them back out. I like them crunchy. Did I say that? So what I like to do is 15 minutes, then flip them and give them another 15, so they're really, really crunchy. Now, if you don't like them that crunchy, again, you just eyeball it. So I'm gonna put this in, and we come back and we see how it came out after 30 minutes, 15 on each side. Forget about it. Hey, it looks like the first side is done. I left them in for 20 instead of 15 because they didn't look too hot. So I told you, I like it nice and crispy. So this is what it looks like at about 18 minutes in. I'm gonna flip it for another 15 and we should be good. And then we did that. Hey, so they're done. All right, they're done to my liking.
Voila!
Wow. So I put that in. This is an extra 10 minutes. So it was a half an hour all together. Now look at this. I flipped it. Look. So the first time I left it in 20 minutes. So look at that. Look at that. Wow. I put this down. It's hot.
Beautiful.
So I put that down the first time. Hello. Hey. So I put them down the first time for 20 minutes. Okay? Then we took them out. We put it back in after we flipped it for another 10. So a half an hour all together. 425. 450. It's up to you. I like them like this. They're nice and crunchy. Now I might use some sugar-free ketchup or nothing on them. You can eat them just like that. You can put some guacamole. Whatever floats your boat, as they said. Remember what I told you last time. If Sal can do it, so can you. Mr. Sal, Hypex Wicked Kitchen, cheesy cauliflower tots made with 4 cheeses. It don't get better than that.